All right, party people, so here's where we're at. We have had so much rain last week. We've had a couple of good days. Yesterday and today was a good day. So all we were able to get done is we got done the rest of this wall and this wall. I'm not putting any windows anywhere. I'm probably gonna put 2 windows here, door will go in the corner, and then maybe 1 or 2 windows. I might do something with like 2 small windows up at the top and then 1 window at the bottom. So this is where we're at. We've got more friggin' rain coming this week, so we're gonna have to cover this up, and it's just gonna be a busy week. Next weekend's busy, and Thanksgiving weekend, so I'm hoping to get my sheeting up on all this. Get all this up before I start on the corner over here with the windows and everything, because I'm gonna have to really take my time on that. And I'm also really thinking about, once I get this sheeting up, is go ahead and start putting my rafters up for my roof. Please leave me a comment if that's a bad idea to go ahead and start that, if I should just wait until everything, because I'm ready to get this done. I've bit off, I wouldn't say I bit off more than I could chew, but I think I really should have done half this size for something my first time. But I'll be honest with you, I think I'm kind of glad, because we've got something that if it happens, I'll be building a 20 by 30. If a couple of things happen, it won't be till springtime probably, but if a couple things happen, I'll be building a 20 by 30, so 10 feet longer than this and 4 feet wider. So, but I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna go ahead and wish you a Merry Christmas too, just in case. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Appreciate everything.